quick video explaining how to wire up the Racecargobrrr switch panel. So I'm gonna jump inside and show you that. It's gonna be a little hard to see because I already installed it, but I'll still explain what to do while trying to film underneath the center console where the wires are. So chances are you aren't actually gonna be able to see my wires because like I said, I already installed it and it took me a little bit to figure out. But let's jump inside and I'll show you now. Here is the switch panel. I labeled my buttons drift mode and fans because this one right here is to turn off traction control and all that. I have everything wired up to the GeraldJustProjects Tracbox. So if you're running something similar to that, this is how you are gonna do it. You can see you have a black, red, green, yellow, and blue wire. All right, so your power is red and your black is ground, of course, but you're not going to take the power from the GeraldJust Tracbox and plug it right into the power of that. Actually, what you are going to do is take the red wire coming off the GeraldJustProjects Tracbox and you're going to run it to the green wire of both switches. So you're going to pretty much split it and have both greens going to that, or jumping it from green to green. Either way, they all need to get power from the GeraldJust red. So the Tracbox red wire is going to go into the green of both of them. So jump it. And then what you're going to do is you're going to take the red and blue wires, twist them together, and then run them to your functions. So you'll take the red and blue, we'll say for fans, and twist the red and blue together, and then run it to the wire on the Tracbox that's for fans. Same thing with like my drift mode button, that's stability control and traction control, whatever. It's going to be the red and the blue twisted together, running to those wires. Now the yellow wires on each of these are not used. Just don't even slide the little plastic off on the end of it, just leave it open. So just to show you real quick. If I was to click this, the light turns on, everything turns on. Click it again, it's off. Same with the fans. It takes a second, there's a little bit of a delay. So if you guys found this video helpful, drop a comment, give it a like so other people will be able to find it and it'll help them out as well. I do know that Racecargobrrr doesn't want to post wiring instructions, understandably. I'm an idiot when it came to wiring, so I actually had to find another random video about wiring a 5-pin button and get it to work. But if you are looking for a video on how to do it directly for this switch panel, this is the one for you. So, all right, appreciate you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.